I'm actually gonna start in a get up because that's actually how I want you to set up to do external rotations. And I see this exercise done, and I was there too, especially as a young idiot, really stiff, like really rigid with it. But what you wanna do is kind of really drive the knee out and get as much flexion in the hip, knee, and ankle as you can, and then use that elbow to push that hip away. Now I've got full protraction of the shoulder blades, I'm locked in, inhale down, and when I'm here too, like, have some fun, mess around. You've got that ability to really drive the elbow up and get a unique rowing angle using the leverage or sliding action of the elbow. But anyway, we're just gonna burn out the external rotators. You can really never do inhale down enough of these, and try to really get some range of motion, but start light. Start with a fist or a soup can. I'm using a 5, this is plenty. I'm not the smallest guy in the world. I'm 40 and old as fuck, but I'm not the smallest guy in the world. And this 5-pound dumbbell is testing me in terms of sustained contraction and range of motion in a way. If I went 10 or 15 or 20, and I'm gonna blow out these small muscles. These are small muscles. These are small muscles. Okay, leave them alone. Go slow, go light, go full range of motion, and focus on contraction. And we can also do this with a band. So I'll give you an option. I don't know if you have access to a band for this particular workout. You just selected a dumbbell workout, whatever else. But take the band, get it just about fist height with the arm bent at 90 degrees, okay? So look, you can even start like this so you know that you get full range. Just come in, set, exhale all the way out, and pin that elbow tight to the oblique or love handle area, inhale back. And again, focus on as much range of motion, drive the elbow into the hip, and kind of push away, and just swivel. Get that elbow right into that hip pelvic crest right here, right above the pelvis, and just swivel and dig into it. You can go slow in the beginning, then mix in some faster reps without losing your shoulder positioning. And obviously we're gonna do both sides because we're fixing the balances between sides.